Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to put Snapchat in dark mode. So guys, let's continue into your Snapchat. After open this, tap on your profile icon top left of corner and then tap on settings icon top right of corner. You can see no dark mode option here. So guys, I have a trick that you can use to apply dark mode on Snapchat. At first tap on I need help. Then tap on contact us. Tap on I need help with the Snapchat feature. Tap on settings and now tap on dark mode. Tap on yes. Enter your username and email address here. And then tap on description and type I need dark mode. Submit. So guys, that's it. And guys, after a few days you will receive a message on Gmail, after which your Snapchat will be in dark mode. So guys, I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.